Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to speed up the process of starting Windows. A lot of you may know this, but for those who don't know this, we can actually speed up the process when we start our Windows. And in order to do this, we actually got to go to the Task Manager on Windows. An easy way to go to Task Manager is by clicking on the taskbar with the right button of the mouse and then choosing Task Manager. On the Task Manager, actually, you have a lot of options, as you can see. For us, what is important is the Startup option on the menu above. So as you can see, guys, these are the applications or programs that are starting when I start my Windows. So, for example, let's see, we have the Microsoft OneDrive, and it is enabled and the startup impact is actually high. So if I want to disable it, all what I have to do is, clicking with the right button of the mouse and then hit on disable. In this way, Microsoft OneDrive isn't gonna start when I start my Windows, but actually Microsoft OneDrive is important for me and I always want it to start when I start my Windows. Because I don't wanna, be worried about syncing the my files between my devices, so I'm just gonna leave it enabled. Another application, is the Microsoft Edge, and it is disabled because I disabled it actually in the startup impact is medium. So for me, Microsoft Windows Edge, it is not important for me to to start in the background automatically when I start my Windows. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If it was, please like it and share it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.